Pigeon Ball Transporter.
Good morning.
Last day of training, very last day of training. I'm working tonight, so we're doing one more Gretna. It's a wee bit more fuzzy than this morning, but we're going to let the mist lift. Out on the road with Polly, Jasper and Doddy. Say hi, guys.
Good morning, Doddy.
We'll see you from the toss. Pigeon ball in position. August the 10th. A little bit later today, it's about 10 to 9. Number one for Doddy. It's a wee bit, well, it's clear in here, but I'm told it's still a bit overcast at home, but it should be clear as it goes. It's about 18 degrees. Here go the Dodsters. Oh, if I put the basket in the right way. Oh, there you go, Jay. There you go, my darlings. You be lucky. I'll just pause until I clear the traffic. Here we go. Yeah, that must be the ones that like to cross the road. Oh no, they're coming back. Another wee yaw. Just behind that bush now. 10 to 9. Okay, Doddy number 2. Be lucky the Dodster Juniors. There might be one shot in that basket, Doddy. I think there might have been an accident previously. Now if they go way over there and up over them trees to the right, then that's 2 baskets done the exact same thing as the 2 baskets did yesterday. See, the first basket yesterday didn't cross the road. I think they're out of sight. No, they're going to... Oh, they've come back, Doddy. No, they've come south, son. Turn and get round again. Right, they're going to come back over the top now. Come on, turn. I've lost them now. So this is my toss about 10 past 9. We have retired the little grizzle. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'll have another look at her and we'll catch her up maybe further down. She did sharp, so we can take a week out with her. She seemed a bit light. I think she's too busy hogging a nest box. So we're not doing any tree dwelling today, but these are all a bit feisty, so we'll give them a couple of minutes and then we'll get them gone. That's what I would say, it's very muggy today, so we'll just get these away. 9:05. Right, no Loch Maven today. No Loch Maven. Straight up that field. Back left and get going that way. No, oh shit, if somebody don't like that. Oh, seagull. Coming a wee back twirly way. Come on, kid, you were here yesterday. I see they want to break up for some reason. What can you see that I can't see, birdies? They're not happy with something over there. Behind that tree. Coming back. Right, we're going south as well today. Oh golly. Magnets aren't doing well today. Might have just gone right over that tree. And we're meant to be going that. Very atmospheric today. Oops. No, keep going, keep going. We've spotted them, they haven't turned. Lost them again, but they were last thing. Oh, they're over there. Look, they're scattered up like. We're going to bump into them bloody trees again like we did the last time, 2 tosses ago. Yeah, we're going to struggle round the cripple the day, Dodster. Hope we've not overshot our bolt. Mist is still in the hollow. What's your weather forecast, Jethro? What's your forecast for today?
See that tractor? You don't want to be down there.
All right. Don't follow the tractor down a blind alleyway. It'll always end in tears. Nearly back at the tune now. Oh goodness, it's one of these ones. That's us back from Gretna. And it's nice and clear in Gretna, but it's like pea soup here. So I think that's about the hour now. So we'll set the camera and watch for a bit and see what occurs. Goodness. There's about 50 birds circling my house now. I kid you not. Wait a minute, we'll see what happens. Oh, there must be 52. Fucking Jesus. We'll see what... aye. Give me a minute, I'll fucking call you back, okay? Right, this is where the separation's going to happen, because some of mine are going to have to come down. Thank God I've got the ETS on, but I've got a terrible feeling I've just pulled Doddy's birds all the way to Corsica. There's 3, 6, 8 on the left want to go. 10 on the left, see them? They want to go. Never had this happen before. Always something different at fucking TTR. Right, let's see what lands. My lord. We don't care what we look like, do we? Why, Scruffy, get your head up. Scruffy, there you go. I got half tails and everything. That's the whole squad done the 40 miles twice again. Look at all them beasties. You have what you want today, boys and girls. Anderson Red home. The molters. We're going to put them on a bit of multi-mix for a week just to let them build some feathers. Fantastic day at TTR. Another one just dropped in there. I was a bit slow with the camera, so another one with the ETS on. Fabulous, that's another one for the clock. Okay, my little cherubs. Have a little look in the house. And again, we have lots of birds. But we're just here to let them. We're only here to have a wee check on the. So we check on the clock. Live at 5. 22 ETSs. I would hope for more. But we'll run through the house at a later date because I need to get to my kipper because it's work night. So now the last one in it, 5 to 11. And the first one was in at 10:30. So it's been a bit of a learning experience for everybody today. But I think we survived it. There you go. The 10-day, not quite the run to Barcelona like Dandles, but we're the run to Gretna. And that gives us a full 10 days to get our Penrith and a TBN before we head for Lim. I think there's someone not quite right on my rings, but anyway. There you go. Thanks for sticking with us again. Very happy, Pappy. Over and out.